people to trickle in, I guess. Let's see. I should just check out here some things I plopped over on my Discord. So I did some pretty cool stuff. I'm talking about it when people start joining. Uh, let's see. Where are my links? I plopped some links somewhere. There we go. Hmm. Interesting. So I have a really cool idea. Go check this out, I guess. Where are my things at? I just have like this tab full of like OpenJDK code that I'm reviewing because today I'm gonna have some fun doing some code gen. I'm not sure if it's gonna be fun, but it's gonna be something. So, where is it? There it is. File output stream. Okay. And the reason I'm looking for this is because interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna lower this down a little bit. So I'm gonna bring this to a lower level. And the idea with that is that I want to be able to like make a std.os.java or like .jvm later on. So let's write test it out using pilot stream. This should be pretty simple, I think. So I think all I have to do here is do this. So make an out stream like that with a file descriptor std in. So that's actually pretty cool. I can just do this file descriptor.std in, I think, or .in, or sorry, out. Oops, it's an output stream. I have to import this as well. There we go. And then I can out.write, I guess. Ooh. Can I do a string dot like 2 byte array? Probably. Uh-oh. String 2 byte array Java. Let's see here. Yeah, bytes. Okay, pretty intuitive. So hello world. In bytes, we write it. It has an exception, so I'm gonna throw this exception here. Java error handling is abysmal. Oh my god. Out is never closed. Okay, so out.close. And let's run that code. So we're gonna Java C it. And then we're gonna run it. So that, then we can just Java test this like that. Hello, wrong name. Test, cf test. Java hello. Hey, that works. Okay, that's great. So that's cool. And another cool thing is what I did it last night. So after ending the stream, I worked until like really late in the night. And I fixed a few cool bugs, right? One of the things I fixed was my code not working. It's crazy. And so now I can hopefully break entirely because I'm in the wrong directory. Oops. So now it can decode and re-encode files properly. Let's hope this works. It does work. Okay, great. So that means that we can start encoding class files, which means we can start working on the code gen, which is really cool. So it's time. It's time to get our hands dirty a little bit here. Also, I'm gonna move this up here. I don't know why I put it down here. Kind of dumb. Do that. Oh, that's weird. Didn't delete that. Oh, there it is. That's cool. Have a code. It works. Do that. So, I guess the first step here is actually getting our coding repo up and running. And so for that, we got to, uh-oh, someone pinged me. Yay, Pixel, hello, how you doing? I'm working on some Java stuff now. So if you were here last stream, you probably, yeah, I don't remember you seeing the whole stream, which is fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna punish you for anything. It's an August stream, like, there's no intrinsic value or like requirement to stay through the whole thing. But I worked on this, so I can compile a Java file, right? So I can do test.hello.java, compile that. Now it's compiled to this hello.class, right? Let's delete this. And so what this test I'm about to run does, right? Ooh, your window manager, nice. Oh, well, not nice, you know. Sounds like a hassle. But yeah, what I've been working on is encoding and decoding Java class files, right? And the cool thing is, this test, where is it? Here it is. Decodes our class file, right? Uh-oh. Okay, so this test decodes your class file, and then it re-encodes it. And so what that means is that my encoding works, I'm sorry, my decoding works, and then my encoding works too. Which means, if I run this test, the entire class file pipeline I programmed works. And so if I run this, see this file that just appeared here? If I run this, so if I do java hello, it works. And so it decoded and re-encoded the entire thing, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so that's an interesting thing. And what's even more interesting is what I'm going to do today, which is actually create the Java instruction stuff. Also, because right now what we're doing is essentially we're just like messing around with class files, which means nothing, right? Like class files are useless pretty much. All they do is like encapsulate our code, so they're not that useful. Almost, I'm gonna get this. And so this stream, what I'm going to do is actually generate instructions. And so the idea with that is I'm probably going to be able to add like numbers by the end of the stream, which will be pretty cool, I think. So let's get to work, I guess. So I have this thing called Jig. I renamed it to Gem. It used to be called like the Java instruction generator. Now it's the Java instruction manipulator, so it can do encoding and decoding. But we're probably going to work on like primarily work on encoding, because that's like the cooler part of Java, in my opinion, at least. So omitting instructions can be pretty interesting. I wonder how we'll be able to do it. Yeah, so this is the op.zig file. This took me hours to write manually, I remember. Like this part was automatic, but the rest was completely manual. And so I had to like go through the Java docs and like manually like check out which of these things matched. It was really bad. But by the end of it, I implemented pretty much every instruction properly. I think there are like still a few that I haven't implemented properly, like the breakpoint, etc. But the rest are like properly like listed and they have the proper structs, proper types associated with them, which is great. And so all I'll have to do, I guess, is write an encode and decode, I guess. So let's get to work. So I guess the first thing I'll have to do is like add CF as a submodule, because I do want to like test this with actual code. And so to do that, yeah, I do need CF as a class, as like a submodule. How do I add submodules though? Add submodule, okay. I absolutely hate submodules. I think they're complicated, but also I love them because they're so simple. Like, for basic things, they're just so enjoyable. But when you get like sophisticated like package installs working, they become such a hassle. Awful. So hopefully we can keep this code simple, you know, avoid any issues. Also I have to get init this first. Oops. Oh, get init. There we go. And so now I can include class file. So doing that is pretty simple. github.com/zigjava/cf. There you go. Now we have that. Nice. Should that be in there? I'm not sure if that should be in like a vendor's foot or something. But whatever, you know what? Let's live dangerously. Or let's not live. Oh god, I made a mistake. I have to remove a submodule. I forgot to do that too. Okay, let's delete that. Thank you, Git. know what, I have an easy fix for this. It's called just deleting this. Thanks, Windows. Easy fix. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do, don't worry. So I'll just do depths. Do depth and add. Aha! Yay, that works. Look at that. Beautiful. I like that. Nice. So we have our depths working. Unfortunately, we do need to build .zig for this. Because you have to add the dependency, right? Actually, we could add it manually, but that's so stinky. I'll add it myself in this build.zig, I guess. So, go to .exe real quick. Because I want an exe, but I also want... Oh, I can just go to .itlib and then see the test from that, I guess. It works. Oh. There we go. Aha. So, .zig, remove the lib portion. We don't need that. Okay, run gym tests. Gym is such a plain name. I think it's because it was used in The Office. Now it's like, it's so common, I guess. It's not common, but it has like that 40-year-old person sort of vibe to it. I'm not sure what gives names their age. It's such a weird like thing. Anyways, gym.zig. Okay, that's it. That's it. I think. Let's find out. That looks good. Let's see if it builds first. It does not build. Oh, it does build. Just this code is broken. Okay. Right. So, yeah, I'm manually encoding and decoding these because I was lazy. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna make like a generic serializer or something. I'll probably have to do that sometime. But whatever, it's fine. Oh, that's already okay. Okay. Also, for encoding switches and stuff, I'm not doing that for a while because that's nasty. Also, I have to get ignore for this. Oops. Zig cache, zig out. I can just do zig star. Hey. Big brain. It's called a glob, right? It's called a glob. Unix glob. I think that's correct. It is. Interesting. Where does that name even come from? Global. Interesting. Okay, so back to our actual task at hand here. We also have to import ourselves a package, which is CF. So CF. That should be correct. And to test that out, we can just do const CF equals import CF. This will only be used in tests, because I don't want to pollute the actual library. Like, you can use this completely independently of CF. They're separate libraries, right? But for testing, you actually do need CF, because else you can't run the code. Boom, that works. Nice. So let's get to work. Oh, let's not get to work, actually. Small thought. Okay, I have to go back here. I have a cool optimization in mind for this real quick. It's like a small one. It'll take a few seconds only. But essentially, in descriptors, here it is. That's right, yeah. You have these two things. You have, where is it? Oh no. I am so lost. Not descriptors. Attributes. You have two important fields. You have the attribute name index and the attribute length. So first thing, I have no idea why I'm storing the attribute length. That's stupid. It's generated like on the fly. So I can just do this. Yeet out of there. Goodbye. And I can just remove that. Not even used, I think. Yeah, it's just used here. So we don't need that. Because we have a function that literally generates it. It's called, where is it? Calc attribute length. It does it for us. So we don't need that. And we can just like dump that out. So wherever that is, let's find out. There it is. Goodbye. And the second thing I can need is the attribute name index. So what's cool about this is that it's bad. This is bad. And the reason it's bad, also, crap, to make this work, I'll have to make this a non-constant pointer. I'll figure that out, it's fine, just this like small refactor. The thing is, if I'm adding an attribute, it does not have an index to it. That messes everything up. And also, storing the index is such a hassle. It makes no sense, and it's a waste of time, and it's stupid. So, easy fix for that is making a hash map, right? So the idea for this is we're going to use a string hash map, and whenever we decode a UTF-8 info, which contains string information in the constant pool, right, we'll add that string to the hash map, and then map it to the index of that UTF-8 info entry, which means we save time every time we want to query a specific like name. And then instead of having to like store this, we can again determine this on the fly. Instead of having to store ourselves a attribute name index, we can just remove this entirely. And it just makes our code so much cleaner. It duplicates stuff, it makes encoding easier, it's great. So let us do this. So we need a map. Let's call it, what do we call it? UTF-8 entries map. Pretty intuitive. STD dot, so it's going to be a string map. String hash map, yes. And the target type is going to be an index, so U16, which is the index into the thing, right? For that, we can just init that with our allocator, so UTF-8 entries map, dot string hash map, and we can just do this. Init allocator. And then what we can do is whenever we decode, so I think decoding is somewhere here. Where is it? There it is. If we run into, so if value is equal to .utf8, we can self dot this dot get or put. And so if it doesn't exist, we add it. If it does exist, we just leave it alone. That's how it works. So that's how it theoretically works, hopefully, fingers crossed. Watch it fail horrendously, watch it like memory overflow or like crash my computer or something. I forget a line of code. So let's see here. I'll say get like that. The key is going to be our value.bytes, right? Value.utf8.bytes. Hopefully. Does that work? Yeah, that does work. Hopefully. Let's find out if it works or not. It's going to have a get or put output, right? And for, I should call it something else. Let's call this get or put output. The intuitive name. Also, that has to be underscored. Oops. Oops. Snake case. There we go. And so from that, what we can do is, oh, it's try. If, ZL is suffering right now. Okay, so there it is. If it's not existing already, we can do this, dot value pointer, and then set that value to our index, right? So our index is unknown. Oh wait, it is not unknown. But what I can do is I can just do st.ArrayList. I'm sorry, I can just do self.entries dot. What is it? I think it's index. How does it keep track of the current position? Uh-oh. Let's see here. Think extending garbage collector, making a desallocator and Zig for fun, but I'm a lazy person. Yeah, I feel you. I feel like on that one. Absolutely. I am so lazy too. I absolutely understand where you're coming from. It's pretty bad. I wish I were less lazy because like, I could do like super cool things. Like I could contribute to Zig, and instead I'm like writing bad code to parse Java. I mean, well, okay. Hopefully this will end up contributing to Zig. But for now, it's not doing that at all. I still don't understand how this works. Oh wait, this will probably. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Windows just suffered. What's happening? Windows. Oh, there it is. It just froze for a minute there. I'm so confused. Does this completely break? I think this absolutely destroys um, append. Oh no, we're not using append. Oh, we're not using append. Okay, we're fine. So this is good. I guess I'll have to just make a constant pool decode entries then. So constant pool decode entries. And just move that there because that does make more sense. Okay, so let's move that there. PubFN decode entries self. So this will be a pointer, right? So self constant pool pointer. Allocator is allocator, of course. And our reader. Let's return void. Like that. Let's see. Looking swaggy. And then I can just do this check from here. Right, so I can just do if CP equals UTF-8. And then I can just do this. Equals constant pool index. And that's it. We're good. Crisis averted. Hey Travis, how you doing? Welcome back. Not every day. So today's my last day before school starts, unfortunately. Yeah. What a bummer. But you know, having a little bit of fun before the fun stops happening, I guess. Hopefully this works. I just made some small refactor changes here. Oh, oops. So by the way, Travis, you didn't see this, but you remember last night my thing didn't work, right? It was completely broken, right? Now if I zig test CF, this will probably crash. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Constant pool allocator reader. Uh-oh. How does something cool doesn't work? So annoying. Oh, I can just use the length. Oh, we're good. Thank you. Let's do that. Aha, look at that. Big brain play. Uh-oh. Come on. Work for me, please. Please work for me, please. U16, why is it U size? I always look at my code after writing it, and I'm like, wow, what have I done? What did I do? Why is this like a U size? So yeah, this works here. Look at that, Travis. See that class file right there? It's decoded and re-encoded, right? Last night it completely crashed and it didn't work, and it was sad. And I was sad. But now if I do java p-hello.class, watch this. It works. So it'll decode properly, hopefully. Come on. There it is. Right? So for our main. And if I run it, so java hello, it works. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. So yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. And this is even cooler. So one of the problems that I'm facing with attributes, right, is I have to store this. What did I fix? Good call. Sorry, good question. Typos is what I fixed. Like it's crazy. I thought it'd be like some crazy systemic error in my code, like some insane issue or like some bad Java like documentation typo or something. But I forgot some redundant bigs or added like too many sometimes. And so it just like didn't read the data properly. And then when I encoded it, it didn't encode it properly. And that's what was broken. Funnily enough. And I fixed that, and now it works. So, I mean, I ain't complaining, okay? Pretty swaggy. So now my new problem, real quick, it's a small problem, is this thing right here, the attribute name index, right? I'm gonna remove this and replace it with this map here. So I can like prevent myself from using UTF-8s, like just UTF-8 constants. Which will be pretty cool. I actually wonder how I'll do this later on, because later on I'll also have to like deduplicate class references and stuff. That'll be really bad. Uh-oh. I'll figure it out. Okay, so what are we doing? Uh-oh. Yes, right, we're querying from this map. So what I have to do here is make a new function. So I'm going to call this function get attribute. We're going to get UTF-8 index. Value instead of bytes right here. And so get us an index for UTF-8. So it'll replace this. I can just delete this now. So what this will do, right? Thanks for the update. Yeah, thank you very much. I worked hard on that. It took me I worked until 4 a.m. on that, I'm gonna be honest. It was bad. But what I'll do now, right, is I'll find the item. If it exists, I'll return it. I'll return the index, right? So if it exists, return the index. So return getter put dot. Oh right, self doesn't exist here. Value pointer. So I'll return that. And if it doesn't exist, I'll add it. So I'll add this UTF-8 value. So it's pretty simple to do. All I got to do is set this. Actually, I got to do this. I have to do this. So self dot entries dot add one. Since it adds one, then you have the actual length. So it's going to be self dot entries dot items dot length. No +1 here. Hopefully that works. And then I can forget the try, forget the error set, and then I can do this. So UTF-8.bytes equals bytes. I'm not sure if I should duplicate that. But I'm gonna say no. Because I like to live dangerously. I should definitely be duplicating this. Uh-oh. Hmm. I don't know. You know what? I'll live dangerously first and see later on when it breaks horribly how to fix that. Anyways. One thing they have to fix here are this. So the constant pool here is constant. That's a problem. It can't be constant. So let's fix that real quick. Where is that? There we go. Looking good. And now instead of using, where is it? Instead of using attribute index, where are you? Come on. There it is, attribute name index. We can just do this. We can do self.constantPool.get UTF-8 index. The bytes are code here because this is the code entry, right? And so that should work. Let's watch it completely crash. Yep, okay, I crashed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's a lot of code changes. I don't like this. Oh, it's fine. I'll just fix it later. I'll figure it out. This is fine. Set just that. Okay. Let's hope that compiles. It does not compile. Right, it's bytes. Let's see. So, attribute name index rate does not exist anymore. I can remove that. And finally, remove that. Oh, I love refactoring. It's just so much fun to see your code just like be fixed. Damn. Come on. Oh. Incast to C16. File explorer, come on, stop getting in my face. And finally, I can... I have to duplicate this. Okay. So I'm going to do this. This is stupid, but I can do self.entries.allocator. That's dangerous. I should fix that, but whatever, it's fine. And that should work. Nope. And where are you? Come on. Oh, right, we're not returning anything. Oopsies. That should work. Come on. Come on, let's pray. Let's hope and pray, because... Okay. Works. Heck yeah, that's great. I like that a lot. Weirdly enough, it's not deallocating it. That's a problem. It should be free now. I'm not sure what's going on. A little annoying. But whatever. Oh, it's probably because I'm not copying the bytes here. Where's that? See, when I decode, actually I do copy them. Then what's going on here? Oh, I know what's going on. No, I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. Confused. Okay, I don't know. It's fine. You know, it compiles, I guess. Oh, I don't DNet the hash map. Right. Okay. That's the problem. It should be like a pretty simple fix though. There we go. And oh. Okay. And come on. Come on. And it passes. Fantastic. Okay, so you can push that. Fix UTF-8 info duplication. Okay, so now we can start working on our actually cool, like, fun stuff, which is the code generation. So we're finally on this step. Though I do have to update my submodules now. Oof, update submodule. Okay. So I guess it's cd deps/cf, and I update it. Is that right? Oh, okay, that's correct. Ah, we're good. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So now we have actually our actual updated like CF file, and we can create our own class file. So we're gonna do that real quick. So many enums. Oh no. TLS is suffering right now. So I wonder what I'll do. I guess I have a few options. I guess my first go-to here is creating a class file, right? And then just replacing the code portion of that class file, because I don't want to manually generate the entire class file. I think that would be like a waste of time. So let's do that, I guess. I'll just copy up our file here. That's our hello world file. So, or wait. Let's make an add two numbers.java. Okay, Matt. Okay. You know what? I actually watched your stream, and then after 5 minutes I got bored because I can't. It's not your fault, okay? I just can't watch streams. Okay? It's ironic. I stream for hours, but I can't watch streams for like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm being serious, Matt. Okay, I'm sorry. No, I tried to be there for you, Matt. Yeah, stream more, Matt, and then I'll be there, Matt. Okay, come on. Yes, salt in your eyes, Matt. How does it feel? I'm joking. But the idea here, I have an idea, right? And so I'm gonna have int a equals. So what I'm doing right now is creating two locals, right? So this local and this local. This is a bad idea. No, so, okay. What I'll do here real quick is I'll print the return value of a function called give me a number. And so what our code will do, right, is it will, uh-oh. Okay, so what our code will do is it will replace the code in this function. So we have our simple function here. It's called give me a number. Here it returns 69. So obviously, sorry, it returns 68. Obviously, 68 is a garbage number. Why? So our code is going to replace that and fix it. And return 69. So let's do that, I guess. Also, I need to parse the class file real quick. I wonder if it'll be an entry in the constant pool instead of an instruction. Because that would be a waste of time, but it's fine. Let's just mess around with it and see what happens. Let's decode. It's not just an allocator. Oh, it's not std. This file is std free, I guess, in a way, which is a bad thing in this case. Allocator. And our reader could be an FBS. Not nice. Yeah. I am not nice like that sometimes, man. I'm sorry. You know. I'm sorry for hurting your pure Canadian heart, Matt. Not, oh god, File Explorer does this every time. Okay, so go here and get our test harness code working. Uh-oh. Also, this is most definitely not a test harness. Elton Field, welcome back. You witnessed me hurting poor Matt's feelings here. I'm sorry. Again, I'm sorry, Matt. I'm so sorry. But yeah, add two numbers. What do you say when you see a number that's not 69? Oh. I somehow didn't catch that joke the first time around. I am so sorry, Matt. Also, this is misspelled. Come on. Also, it doesn't even add two numbers. It just returns 69. What am I doing? Okay, well, it's fine. Whatever. You know what? Let's ignore my inconsistencies, my bad code, and let's just keep. Let's move on. Let's roll. Let's see what happens. So what I'll do here is I'll decode our class file, right? So I'll make a C equals this. I should just really copy this code. Give me the code. Where are you? There you are. Nice. Very nice. I mean, as Matt pointed out, it's not 69 nice yet, but we're gonna get there. Let's see, add two numbers. Yay! In class text file, it's gonna be add two numbers dot class. Okay. Our Zig. Yes, it's communist, okay. It's Andrew Kelly. He's in Oregon. Okay, he's a communist. No, I'm joking. Yeah, it's not my Zig. I'm not the creator of Zig or anything, okay? That'd be pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest. Like, imagine. Like, 15-year-old creates Zig. That'd be cool. But it's not me. It's Andrew. Go check him out. He's cool. I'll give you his GitHub. There he is. Oh, his image is so punkers. Anyways, put this here. Yes. But yeah, I do agree. Yeah, Zig is super versatile. Like, I was gonna say vertebrate, and then I was like, wait, no, it's super versatile. There we go. So you can do so much with it. You can do like high level stuff if you want, like higher level stuff using comp time. Just as much as you can do like writing assembly. For like a Raspberry Pi program, yeah. Vertebra. I'm sorry, but do you mean vertebra? Anyways, bad joke aside, let's see if this crashes. It crashes. Yeah, that's okay. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's hope this works. Let's see what happens. Let's take Jim for a spin, and it crashes. Oh, because it has the build. Okay. Come on, work for me. Work for me, please. Did that work? That. Oh. Okay, there we go. I was like, that's a little weird. No, we're good. I forgot to compile it. Come on. Oh, no. There we go. Come on. So this should run properly. Let's find out. So add two numbers.class. Let's run it. And should return 68. Nice. So that's pretty cool already. But the cool thing now is we're going to change the 68 to 69 right here. This would be really fun. The first step is finding where the 68 is. So my idea about this is it's in its constant pool, right? So there are tons of ways to load integers to Java because Java is bad, of course. But my suspicion is that it's an integer entry in the constant pool. So for doing that, it's pretty simple. We just loop through cf.end. No, we loop through cc. That's not right. We loop through ccf.entries. No. Constant pool.entries.items. Go figure. Entry. And then if the entry, let's just log it. If the entry is an integer, so is it? That's not. That's right. I think that's right. Let's hope. Let's hope that's right. Also, let's make this a switch just in case. Integer. Okay, let's std.debug.print with a horrific new line spam here. And print this out. Oh yeah, that crashed it. ZLS is so sensitive. It just crashes at every possibility. It just loves to crash. Why it crashed? I don't know either. Okay. It's your best guess against mine. Okay. Like. Okay, so let's see if this works. It's not a constant pool entry. I like this a lot. Okay. Interesting. So, huh. Oh wait, there's no code comments in this because I strip all the code comments for no random. Wait here. This should have more like data in it. No. Okay, let's see here. Java P. Can I have the entire thing, please? The whole thing. There we go. Okay. So, I just love reading Java bytecode. I feel so smart because I spent like months learning Java bytecode, and I can understand it. So, okay, as I was saying, there are tons of ways to load integers in Java. And so here, because it's less than 255, we use bi push. That means byte integer push. So it pushes a byte onto the stack as an integer. So here we use bi push 68, and then we return an integer, I return. Pretty simple. And so this actually gives us an opportunity to modify the bytecode, which is really cool. This is really exciting, actually. It's what I wanted to do today. So I'm actually not gonna write any good code right now. I'm just gonna write some really bad garbage code. But it's still gonna be fun. So let's do this. And then I'll stabilize it hopefully before 11:30 because I have to leave by 11:30. Because I have to go to bed because I have to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow, unfortunately. So methods. I think it's methods 2, 1 rather. Let's hope. That is not right. Index out of bounds, what? Uh-oh. That's weird. There should be 2 methods in there. Because we have main and we have give me a number. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. So that's not gonna give me a number. Look at that. Give me up a init. Why are we getting a seg fault? What? I don't like this. What could even be causing this? Because the data is still valid. It's still writing a valid file. Like this is, if I remove this, right? It still writes add to numbers valid. It's valid. It's a valid file. It runs. Yeah. What is happening? I have no idea. Okay, so let's try putting the constant pool, I guess. And that dies as well. Because assert pop count is equal to 1. Why does it do that? What is happening? What? I am profoundly confused right now. I have no idea what's happening. Let's try and get the length of these items, see what's inside. Why is that segfaulting? What even is segfaulting? Is the print segfaulting? How could it segfault? I don't understand. No. I don't understand. That is so weird. So wait, if I just don't mention CCF methods items, it just works. What? Oh no. Oh no. It might be std.print that's messing me up here. If it is, I'm gonna be shocked because that does not make any sense. Okay. Let's see. This probably doesn't get optimized out. You know what? Let's see. Yeah, print is... How is print messing me up? I don't even understand. That makes no sense. So printing CCF just crashes the entire program. Yeah. Interesting. So I guess we've learned a lesson that I butchered something somewhere, and so it's completely broken. Interesting. Oopsies. That's my bad. That's on me. I have no idea. You know, if anyone knows what I'm doing wrong, if anyone wants to go check out my source code, you know, see what I'm doing wrong here, you know, let me know. I don't know what's happening. But anyways. Let's get to the third method. And hope that works. Let's hope. Does work, okay. That's good. And now we have that method. It does not complete for us because TLS is completely broken. Okay, I like that. Okay, so we want to get the attributes and we want to get the code. So the code is somewhere in here. I don't know where it is. Let's loop through this and switch ABC. Also, it's items because it's an array list. And code. And then we can try and print something and see it fail horrendously. Let's see if that causes a problem. I still don't even understand how print could like just destroy this. I don't get it. That works. So printing my stuff just crashes it. Let's see how bad this crashes. Probably an allocation problem. Yep. Allocator, segmentation fault. What? I don't know. How is the allocator not defined? What? What about a page allocator? How does that fare? I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, it's not broken, it still works. I think it still works. Oh no, I might know the problem. So, constant pool is on the stack. That could be the problem. Uh, but for now, let's hope this problem does not stop me from doing what I'm doing, and let's just keep going. You know what? Let's be stupid and keep going. So actually, let's go to the source here, so code.code, and let's put that out. So this is the actual source code right here. Also, should I put this in hex? Source.items. Please work. Please work. No. Okay, I have to use a formatter for this. Format.format slash hex. Okay, so let's do that. And so now we would have been able to see the bytecode. Hopefully it actually works. No, it did not work. Okay, yeah, this is probably like an allocation problem. Pissing me off. Can I at least write to this? Come on, please. If this doesn't work, I have to actually fix the library, and then that's gonna piss me off even more. What? Oh. Please work. Uh-oh. Okay, so we have what's called a huge problem. So let's fix it before we end the stream. So what is the huge problem? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, I don't know. It seems like an allocation issue. So let's log ourselves a CF and see what happens. Thing is, all logging I do is internal. So when stack allocated, you don't see it, right? You don't see that there's a problem with that. So let's hope this works. Uh-oh. And shows us the problem, hopefully. Come on, is it recreatable? There we go, okay. Segmentation fault. Where is that? Oh my god, the amount of logging here. Okay, so this should definitely be working. I'm not sure what's going on. Uh-oh. This is in methods. So methods is messing up here. How is that possible? So we're using decode. We're using init capacity with the method count. And we're setting methods to methods. And only methods is failing. What? Oh, I know why methods is failing. Because fields is empty. So that can't fail. Interface is empty because it can't fail. that means that methods is failing to print. And so then we can narrow down the issue from there, I guess. So let's do cf.methods. And let's see it crash. Where does it crash? Stack fault, okay. So that works. So if we do this, it should crash here on the constant pool. Right? Nope, it's out of bounds. What? That does not make any sense. Two. Then how is it out of bounds? Oh, no, so it is printing properly. The interesting thing here is that here it is. So see, the constant pool is out of bounds. And the reason why, this is probably the issue, is because the constant pool is stack allocated. So let's see if we can fix that right here. By doing the fixing. I guess, oh god, this is nasty. I don't like this. It's fine. We'll just do this. So and then I can just do C equals allocated. I create that constant pool. So this is what we call bad code, because I should be doing this in my class file, but for laziness reasons, I'm gonna do it here. Also, I forgot to do this. And I forgot to make this a pointer to the constant pool. Okay. See, this is pointing to the value on the stack, which is obviously not going to work. So let's hope that fixes it. I really hope this fixes it, because I have a bigger problem in my hands. It fixed it. Look at that. Nice. I can't believe I've been gonna, like, I remember a year ago, I would make mistakes like this and I just stopped my project because I didn't know what I was doing. And so I was like, you know what? It's stack faulting. Well, what can I do? But now it works. So, yeah. Okay, so I do have to deinit this now. Oh. Okay, let's deinit this. No, let me deinit the constant pool. There it is. Okay. So I can self.entry. This is so nasty. This is so nasty. I have to fix this so bad. It's actually dangerous though. This is actually like super dangerous. I have to fix this. Really. Okay, that works. Problem fixed? Question mark? Let's find out. Let's print the entire thing. This should be problem fixed though, because we're not passing anything else around. Everything else can be out on the stack. We're good. Look at that. Swag-alicious. Beautiful. So that's great. Let's fix big bad memory issue. Nice. So now we can go back to our favorite gym. We can push it. So I mean, we can pull these submodule changes. We can just do submodule update. And now we can run our code and hope it works properly. Please. Please work. Please work, please. Okay, I'm hoping. Oh. It's Zigbuild. Same mistake as last time. Yep, it was allocated on the stack and so it broke bad. Let's hope this works this time. Bruh. Uh-oh. That's not good. What's happening? I don't like this. No. I just fixed the first problem. Now there's another problem? Come on. So that works. Is writing to it broken? That wouldn't make any sense. So what if I just modify the items? What if I just do 0? I set it to 69, for example. Works fine. So The writing portion is broken though. Can I append to it? Source dot append. Oh, probably do this just in case. Oh, that's actually probably the issue. Let's see, is that the issue? No, that's not the issue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it's a pen slice. Sec fault. Okay. A new problem has arrived. Has arisen. That's not good. It's probably another stack issue, like stack allocation issue. I bet. I can bet money that it is. Seriously. So let's check this out. So if we do cf dot attribute dot methods dot items 0 dot attributes 0 dot code dot append slice abc. Damn, this chain of code is just nasty. Look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. So, oh, come on. Yep, that's it. That should cause a sec fault. Okay, no. This should sec fault. What? Oh. No, if I might have just found the issue. If I found the issue, it's gonna be embarrassing. No. So, that is not the issue. Thank God. I'm not stupid, okay? I don't know if I'm stupid or not. That's not gonna work. I have to. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay? Maybe this is it. No. Okay, so. Oh my God. Yeah, okay, yeah, absolutely. This is this is a nightmare to handle. I can't handle this. I don't know what's causing this. Truly. Let's just copy this code right here and see if this works. Because if this doesn't work, then I have a really weird problem in my hands. Because that works, that's fine, okay. So let's add it to method 2 now. That works. So what the hell is going on? What's happening? What? I am positively confused. And that worked. Oh, okay. That was me trying to write to a constant array list because I'm taking this. So essentially I was writing to one of these bad boys. I don't know, I fixed the issue. I forgot a pointer here. Because I was trying to write to a constant array list, which is obviously wrong. I'm not sure how Zig didn't stop me there, because obviously writing to a constant array list is not possible. Who knows? You know what? No questions asked. At least the code doesn't need changing. What? Thank you. So, I have to set the length to 0 and then rewrite, I guess. I guess that works. So source.items.length equals 0. Now let's change our instructions so that we can write 69 instead of 68. Okay, this is the hard part. What hard part? So we have the instructions we need, right? So what I can do is encode these. So let us. I'm gonna do this manually for now, right? Because I don't want to write the wrapper yet. I'm gonna write that later on. So what we have to do is bi push 69 and then I return. So doing that's pretty simple, right? First thing we do is vi add our bi push. So we have our ops. Here we append single because we want to find a byte. We do ops dot operation dot bi push. This is broken as hell. Holy moly! Oh no, it's okay. No. It's opcode dot bi push. We want to do enum to int for that. Nice. Now we have our U8. We're pushing that. We want to push our actual value we're writing. So we're pushing a single byte, right? Writing 69. And then we push our I return. And drum roll, please. Let's build it. And let's run it. Let's stop a P at first. Oh. I can't do that, right? I have no debug info. Actually, will that work? Let's find out. It does work. Oh! Worked! Look, 69. No way. No. Guys, we just transformed this file. That's really cool. It's not just me, right? That was cool. Look at that. So if I just comment this code out and we don't change anything, we don't change any instructions, right? We get our output from before, right? So do this. We compile. So if we run the code, then we run the code, 68. And with this code, we patch the byte code, and we get, come on. It works. Hello, Mr. McBro, welcome to my stream. I just patched this file. This is really cool. This is an exploit tool. Yes, I'm gonna put 69s everywhere, okay? You have a 420, but 69. Wait, I can't do that. I can use BI push. But yeah, it works. 68, prints out 69 instead. This is really cool. Also, look how easy it is to omit instructions manually. No, it does not. This doesn't exploit anything, right? All it does is patch this file. Also, actually, you could do exploits. You could do exploits with this, absolutely. But please don't. It's so broken too. Your exploits probably break. They just like instantly flop. But this is super cool. I wonder. So you can do some other cool things, right? For example, if I say unbased number, right? Obviously, 68 is not 69. So it's pretty unbased. No one likes 68, okay? Nasty number. Okay, it's disgusting. So if I... Okay, if I'm lost in the Java C's, there we go. Oh. You can't multi-print in Java? Oh, no. I thought Java was based. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. You know what? If Java's bad and stupid, who cares? So anyways, if I Zigbuild test, right, and transform the code, and I run this, obviously this is wrong, right? 69 is not an unbased number. Stupid, right? It's wrong. It's objectively wrong. So we have to fix that, right? The crime against humanity. We cannot stand. So fixing this is pretty simple. Go in here, UTF-8 info, and we change it. So what we can do here is u.bytes. We free the bytes from u, so we just do this. st.testing.allocator.free, or yeah, free u.bytes. And then we just do u.bytes equals cd.mem.do. I agree. So that's what we're doing right now. st.testing.allocator u8. The best number in the world is. And so now, if this works properly, it will probably work. Let's hope it works. Let's hope. No, it did not work. Oh. Let's hope now. No, that did not work either. Oh. Is it UTF-8? Come on, if this works. Inactive union field access. Come on. What? Uh-oh, typo in my code. Uh-oh, stinky. What's going on? Am I missing a -1? This is weird. That is odd. Huh? That's really weird. That should be working fine. What's happening? Okay, that's that's concerning. Okay, I'm concerned now. Is it because of me freeing the bytes? Is that the problem? Sec fault. Okay, that's fine. You know what? Let's just do this. Does this work? No. So what? Need entry TFA, I think. Huh. I don't think so. I think the problem here is that it's trying to deduplicate. Okay, yeah, I know what the problem is here. Get UTF-8 index is trying to find this string right here, unbased number, right? But we modified, unbased number. See? So the thing is broken. And because, Sussy baka imposter. Oh shit, you're right. Travis, you've saved my life once again. Thank you. That is indeed accurate, and it is true and real in nature. So, I was like, dang, there's a Matrix level issue here, you know? Avengers level threat, but no, it's just me being dumb again. Oops. Okay, so we should be fine. Thank you, Travis, so much, again, for the clutch. So, constant pool self. Will this work? No, it does not work. Because of this. There he is. What? Oh. Please work, please work. It works. Yo, Travis. Method. Method, the best number in the world is in class. How? Oh, because I'm replacing every single UTF-8 entry. So like the name, the method name are getting replaced with this too. I was like, wait, why is method calling this? And then I realized, oh wait, that's why it's calling it. Oh my god, wait. Oops. Okay, I'm sorry. That is a stupid way to fail here. So contains. Is there a contains? Is there a has? Is there an index of? Okay, so we have our slice, which is u.bytes. We have our values, unbased. And if it's equal to null, then we just continue. What? Field out. In class, add two numbers has illegal signatures. The best. What? I am confused. So actually, I should really contribute this change here. I'll push this. Thank you, Travis, for the save. You've saved me once again. It's here. Huh. So now I've just like a horrific spaces and field names. No, I'm replacing the wrong string, right? I want to replace this string with this because, you know, for the meme. But I'm doing it wrong. Please work. See, how? Okay. Is index of any just broken? Frankly. Real honest question here. So if this is present, then we run this code. This work. Please work. Please. What? Come on. I think Zig is just, this is probably just a Zig issue, like legit this time. Like, for real. This can't be me being stupid. Come on. It's replacing every string. Why is it doing this? What? I don't understand. This should only replace strings with unbased inside of them. Why is it replacing everything? Yo, Travis, does line number 2, does line number table have the term unbased? Oh, I'm dumb. It's index of any. So yeah, it does have, oh my god. You saw absolutely nothing. Nothing. It works. It works. It works. We go from this file right here to this. Oh yeah. It works. That is amazing. Screenshotting this. And I'm posting it on the chords somewhere. Cool demo. I'll pop this here so y'all can see what I'm typing. Cool demo. Here's some Zig code. Oh. Replacing the entries of a class file to and I can show the actual code. That is actually cool though. That is actually cool. Like I'm super proud. That I mean, wow. So I want to thank you guys for coming out and joining me tonight. Especially Travis. Travis, you're a trooper. You stay on my streams like 24/7 every time I stream, like the whole like stretch. Thanks for coming out. Yeah. I mean, I'm done for tonight. I guess we got. I have to push this, but Thanks, entry pollution. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm proud. You helped me, of course. You helped me figure out like 3 different bugs. That's pretty good. Like 3 out of 3 bugs. Abort my commit, huh? That's some BS. Look at that. Okay, that is nice. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna stop now. I don't know what to say. I'm just like super happy. So yeah. Have a great evening, people. Have a great week. And see you next time. Maybe tomorrow, maybe in a week, who knows? Maybe in like 5 months. No, I'm kidding. At least soon. Stay safe, friends. Zig1 is